Well, some of you may remember I had a little issue with the lower trailing arms. The studs on here, they're wore out. I had to try to repair them. I wasn't really happy with that. These are very hard to find, but I did find a place that had some reconditioned sets. So I got two brand new lower trailing arms with the correct studs on them, so the shocks fit nice and tight, and got everything back together. Got the front brake hoses all on, the front brakes, backing pads, brake drums. Of course, all of that's going to need adjusted once I get it full of fluid and figure out. Right now they're extremely tight, but got the stabilizer bar on, so I'm going to have to do a little more painting. Paint this stabilizer bar, paint them bottom arms a little bit, maybe kind of pretty things up. I probably should have painted them before I put them back together, but it'll be all right. So the front end is pretty much ready. Like I said, minor adjustments. So probably going to be moving to the back end. I got the transaxle laying over there on the bench. I'm going to clean it up, see whether I want to use it, whether I want to use a new one, get the swing arms out of it, check everything over. It's a good thing I was checking everything as I was going along and double checking everything, because I had a brake line right here that goes from the master cylinder to the left front, and as I was looking at it and taking stuff apart to get everything lined up right, I noticed a small hole right here by the nut. That wouldn't have been good. Wouldn't have been good at all. So it's always important to double check, especially old stuff. You know, if you can put new stuff on it, put new stuff on it. I still got some more brake lines if I want to go ahead and change this one. It looks in good shape. The back ones I have to double check, but front end's about ready to go. So now we're going to move to the ass end, get all that situated, and then worry about some tires and rims and motor and body and all that good stuff. So productive day. Steering works, but I think I'm about done for the day. It's getting pretty warm out. I got to mow the yard, so got something to do tomorrow. So I ain't gonna be able to work on this tomorrow, but bits and pieces. So, thanks for joining us.